Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and here I got a parcel. Okay, let's open it. I think I should just use some scissors. Put that to the side. I wonder what they have in store for us. Okay, let's get all this stuff away. Got my trusty knife here. Some paperwork here. We're here every step of the way. Yeah, Samsung S7. Here we got the Gear VR. Okay, so let's just put that to the side. And this is the Samsung Galaxy S7. Okay, so this is the Gear VR. I'm not going to just open this just yet, so I'm going to leave that to the side. Now this is what I've been waiting for, the Samsung Galaxy S7. Now I got the black onyx one, just mainly because I didn't like the silver, black onyx. Okay, now here it says all like 4G, it has a 60-bit octa-core processor, 4 gigs of RAM, a Quad HD Super AMOLED display, has a 12-megapixel rear-facing camera and a 5-megapixel front-facing camera for those selfie lovers. It's my favorite feature. It's IP68 water and dust resistant, which I'm so happy about, which they brought back. So with the S7, I wasn't a big fan of that. Wireless charging, I'm not sure what that would be using that much. Knox protected, not really sure. And 32 gigs of memory. And 32, I'm pretty sure it's the only thing that comes in, because it has that added 200 gigs expansion memory. Okay, so let's get this unboxed. So let's cut it right here. Okay, so let's cut through this and put that to the side. Wow. So you can see it's really shiny in the front and back. I chose the black one because the gold and silver were way too shiny for my liking. So let's just put that to the side. Let's see what we have in the box. Okay. So SIM card ejection tool. Oh. Okay, so that's just cycling. And then you got ejection tool, your quick start guide, warranty, transmitter. So let's put that back in there. Okay, so then you got your wall brick adapter, adaptive fast charging. Got your just USB cable just for charging it, and also you get this tiny little micro USB connector. This is to transfer your old phone to the new one. So all you have to do is you plug it in there, and then from here you plug into your old phone and transfer it. Okay, and also there we go. Also you got your headphones. So these are just Samsung's new headphones that came with the S6. So let's just put all this back. I don't really need this. Okay. So let's just look at the phone. Okay, so this is the Samsung S7. Right. Let me just get rid of this ugly sticker here. Bit of residue there too. Okay, wow. First impressions, it feels so good in the hand. These Note 5 curves really help with the ergonomics of the phone. I love the black on it. So here you got a 12 megapixel rear facing camera, your flash, heart rate monitor. On the front, you got a 5 megapixel for selfie camera, your earpiece, and your proximity sensor. At the bottom, you got your fingerprint scanner / home button, your capacity back button, and your menu button. On the side, you just got your lock screen, lock power button. And then when we look on the top, you see your SIM card ejector with also micro SD card, a microphone. On the side, you got your 2 volume buttons. On the bottom, you got your speaker, which is apparently a lot quieter than the S6. You got another microphone, your USB connector, and your earphones. Okay, so let's boot it up. I'm not sure how much battery is with this, but I definitely want to test out the rear facing camera low light. Also, I've noticed is that it also has the 2D glass that the iPhone 6s has. Okay, so let's start this up. We can just, yeah. I'm just gonna skip through this and be with you in a minute. Here, it's just asking me to set up my fingerprint. It's really quick, actually. Nearly done. Okay. No, I don't want to see that. Yep. This is very... Okay, so I'm just going to type in my email. Okay. So... Oh, okay. There we go. So it's just connecting.
Black is really subtle colour. So this is my old phone, the S4. So take it out of the case just to show you. This S4, the battery was really bad. I had a good game, but just for comparison, it's not much taller.
Okay, so right now I've connected my old phone with the S7. It's just transferring data now. I'm not sure how long it's going to take though. Hopefully not too long. And there, okay. So, copy content, yep. No. Next. Finish. Okay. Oh, I don't want that. Okay, so I'll unplug this. Don't really need this phone right now. I just want to get rid of open smart switch, yeah. Okay, so no Android device. Oh. Okay, so select whether this device will, okay, so this device will receive. So I'm going to connect this again. I'll close. Ah, here it is. Okay. So it's kind of slow right now. Okay, so here it asks me just to select everything. I'm going to select transfer. So it's doing my wallpapers, messages, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so the thing's nearly done. 100. It's just saving it all. Okay. Yep. Accept. Save. Yep. Okay. So this is going to take a bit more while, so I'll continue the video after this. Okay, so it's finally all done. Yeah, so same wallpaper. The positioning of the things are a bit different though. Oh, so okay, so these are where all my apps are. Okay, I just want to try out the camera. Okay, so I can finally unplug this. There. Okay, so you might have noticed that my phone battery was getting down. It's 40% now. Before, I think it was 52. That's because it was connected to the other phone, so I was using the same battery. Okay, I just want to keep enabled. Okay. So I'm not sure if you can see there, but it is quite okay. So I'm going to try one more photo. Yeah, this might give it a better understanding of the zoom. Now I know this is 12 megapixels, going down, but you can see that it is good. So let's just go through the features and the modes. So I'm really excited about the slow motion because that's really good slow motion. The one feature that the S6 didn't have was the shutter speed. So now we can finally control the shutter speed. We're going to hyperlapse, that's what I'm also a bit excited about now. For the settings, you got the usual, so you got the UHD, Full HD 60 frames, then got motion photo. So let's try motion photo. Okay, I'm gonna take my other phone, right? I'm gonna unplug it. Okay, so let's see this motion photo. So you're gonna see a little GIF over here, and then once you press play, there we go. Play it one more time. So it's kind of like live photos, I guess, yeah. Okay, let's see. So it is 12 megapixels, but it's 4:3. And you got your effects, HDR, on, off, auto, wait timer, flash. Let's go. Video stabilization. Now shooting methods. You can, there we go. Voice, I like that. I don't like saying. And then here you can save your pictures in a raw file. Let's set through. So yeah, I'm not sure about that. Okay, let's try out the front-facing selfie. Okay. So 5 megapixels is definitely enough. You got a big, wider view. I was the accident one. Yeah, so this is my review on a quick mini review on the Samsung Galaxy S7.